Hi guys, thanks to Allah. Alhamdulillah, I bought another truck. It's Volvo VNL 760 2023 and it's really good looking truck. I'm about to pick it up from a dealer right now. I'm at the dealer, so everything is good. I can show you guys around how does it look like. Okay, here it is. It says VNL 760 Volvo and it has Michelin tires. And here you go. Everything is good. Come back. Chrome rims. Like you guys know. I like it. It's good. There you go. I'm gonna pick it up. I'm gonna take it to the yard, hopefully. We'll use it for a while. When we come back to another side, to the driver's side now, show you guys around for a minute. There you go. Everything is good, but I still have to get it cleaned. There are no jackals on it. So pretty much really excited. And I'll be getting a few more trucks this year. We have this cabin for extra space, and we're gonna keep anything like any extra stuff here, any tools you like. It's on the both sides. I'll show you guys around for the other side as well. Then I'll put an inverter here as well. It's pretty much good, man. I like it. We have plenty of space here as well. We got some stripes here. Stripes. We're gonna keep them inside because these are for the bed we have it inside in the cabin. Sorry, in the bunk. We'll be using those ones. Maybe these are the extra ones. We have some like you can keep your stuff load bars at the back as well. It will be safe, I'm sure. Yes. New truck, plus they only take it out once the safety is confirmed and you know everything's safe and secure. So I'm going to show it to you guys from inside. Let's look at it from inside. How does it look like? Here you go. Brand new truck. Here you go. I'm gonna start. There you go. Let's look at it. Just to update to you guys, it's a customized truck. So let's take a trip from inside. There you go. You see here, there's no GPS. Like I said, it's just to save money. And there's supposed to be a digital sensor which is supposed to be inside, but it's not here. I mean, it's not inside because I told you guys I saved some money. I customized it. And let's have a look from here. There you go. It's good. It has a proper book here. Volvo's proper book. Original. There you go. Let's take a look inside. It's good. There you go. You can keep your microwave here. And here is the fridge. Brand new fridge. It looks good. It's off, but I'm gonna turn it on when I take it. I'm not gonna close it from inside. Here you go. And there's a closet. You can keep your stuff here inside. And there you go. Good. There you go. So either way, it looks good to me. The windows, you can close the windows, no problem. It looks good from here as well. Few things. Turn it off. This is a bed, it's not a, you can make a table of it, because I told you guys I customized this truck. I saved some extra dollars, you know. So, but it's good. I got what I wanted. It's good, you know. It's good to have something you like. There you go. Turn it off. Look at this. And this is shape. It's here. I told you guys I customized it. It's supposed to be with the new trucks. It's supposed to be there. So you know, you press the buttons and you can start driving or do whatever you want to do. But it saves me good money, and I thought it's a better option. So there you go, brand new truck. There you go, guys. Look at it. Or turn on the light. Okay, there you go. The lights are on. LED lights. Everything is good. It's really good. And by the way, just to let you guys know, the new trucks are coming with the inverter to build in already from the factory, from the dealership. So you know, good thing is I don't have to install it. It's already installed by the dealer. That's what I like the most about this. And what else you need? It's a heated seats, fridge again, LED lights. There you go. Keep your stuff here. And this is good as well. You can close it, because with the old trucks you had to buy it separately, but now good thing about this, it's a window is already built in, and it's good. It's really good and useful, because I've been driving truck for a while and it's really good. So I'm sure I will enjoy this as well, but it looks really good. There you go, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be uploading more videos for you guys. So stay in touch, guys. Thank you.